Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into tools, tech, and everything in between. Today, we're featuring what might just be the best fatigue relief, anti-vibration hammer handle set on the market, the ELEAD 6-piece mallet hammer set. Let's get straight into why this tool set is creating a buzz. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, the ELEAD hammer set offers the perfect blend of durability, performance, and ergonomic design. First, we've got a 32-ounce rubber mallet. It's perfect for those delicate jobs where surface damage just isn't an option. Think automotive repairs or flooring installations. The mallet head is firm enough to deliver the force you need, yet soft enough to keep materials intact. And, because it's rubber, it dramatically cuts down on noise, so no more waking the neighbors during your weekend projects. Next in line is the 16-ounce ball-peen hammer. This tool is a must-have for metalworking. It's lightweight, well-balanced, and ideal for shaping metal or striking punches and chisels. But if you need more heft, the set also includes a 32-ounce ball-peen hammer. It brings the extra muscle for heavier tasks, all while still maintaining that anti-vibration comfort. And then there's the 3-pound sledgehammer. Now this one is built for power. Whether you're driving stakes, breaking concrete, or demolishing stubborn structures, this compact beast brings force without compromise. What's impressive is that despite the weight, the fiberglass handle still offers great grip and control, even during intense use. Let's not forget the cross-peen hammer. This is one of those underrated tools that truly shines when it comes to metal fabrication or blacksmithing tasks. The wedge-shaped head is fantastic for working metal into tight spots or creating detailed shapes. Again, ELEAD's handle tech minimizes jarring shocks, so you stay focused on precision instead of hand strain. And finally, the set rounds off with a 600-gram wood-splitting axe. Perfect for outdoor use, whether you're prepping kindling for the fireplace or splitting wood at a campsite. The axe features a precision ground blade and smart weight distribution, so each swing delivers clean, efficient cuts with minimal effort. Every head in this set is forged from heat-treated alloy steel, giving them excellent hardness and corrosion resistance. That means they're not just strong, they're built to last. You can trust these tools through demanding environments, whether it's the workshop, the construction site, or your backyard. In terms of grip, the textured design on each handle ensures slip resistance, even when your hands are sweaty or you're wearing gloves. That's a small detail that makes a big difference when safety and precision are on the line. Now, here's what sets this kit apart. It's not just a collection of hammers thrown together. Each piece has been carefully selected to give you a range of functionality. From delicate tapping to full-force striking, this set has you covered. And because every tool shares the same build philosophy, shock absorption, durability, and control, they work in harmony. That's rare to find in bundled sets. To sum it up, the ELEAD 6-piece mallet hammer set isn't just another toolbox filler. It's a thoughtfully engineered solution for pros and serious DIYers who value comfort just as much as power. With forged steel heads, vibration-dampening handles, and a versatile selection of tools, it's an investment that pays off in efficiency, safety, and endurance. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more honest product breakdowns here at Product Critique. Got questions about this set or want us to compare it to another brand? Drop a comment below, we're always listening. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.